A plus D Zinc Oxide Diaper Rash Treatment Cream. Dimenthicone by A&D is one of the best baby diaper creams and ointments products. If you have an infant or toddler, you probably know what diaper rash looks like. Red, bumpy, chafed skin is no fun for babies or their parents. A plus D Zinc Oxide Cream for Diaper Rash is a smart addition to your baby skin care first aid kit. This diaper rash cream is easy to apply, gentle on tender bottoms, and provides fast and effective treatment, with Dimenthicone and zinc oxide providing soothing relief to cracked or chafed skin. Use at the first sign of diaper rash. Help prevent reoccurrence of diaper rash with frequent diaper changes and continuous application of A plus D original ointment. Pediatrician recommended. A plus D Zinc Oxide Cream is a top choice for your skin care first aid kit. Treats diaper rash. Dimenthicone and zinc oxide combine to treat diaper rash and protect tender bottoms, allowing baby skin to heal naturally. Easy to apply. You don't need an applicator or spatula to apply A plus D to rash. This gentle treatment is smooth and spreads evenly. Use at the first sign of rash. Apply A plus D as soon as redness and irritation develops under the diaper. Treat and prevent diaper rash. Use A plus D Zinc Oxide Diaper Rash Treatment Cream for existing diaper rash and help to prevent reoccurrence of diaper rash with frequent diaper changes and continuous application of A plus D original ointment.